Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make yellow chili powder at home. We'll start by selecting the freshest, most vibrant yellow chilies available, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Next, it's crucial to wash them thoroughly under cool water and then dry them completely. This step is vital to prevent any moisture from affecting the final powder. Finally, carefully remove all the stems before moving to the next stage of preparation. Once your chilies are clean and stemmed, the next critical step is drying them properly. You can spread them in a single layer on a clean tray and sun-dry them for about 5 to 7 days, or until they become completely brittle. An alternative method is using a food dehydrator set to 125 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 hours. Ensure they are fully dry to prevent spoilage and achieve a fine powder. With your yellow chilies perfectly dried and brittle, it's time to transform them into powder. Make sure they snap easily when bent, indicating complete dryness. Use a clean spice grinder or a powerful blender for this step. Grind the chilies in short, controlled bursts, allowing the machine to rest briefly between pulses. This prevents the chilies from overheating, which can affect their vibrant color and flavor. After grinding, for the finest consistency, you can sift the yellow chili powder through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any larger pieces, ensuring a smooth texture. Store your homemade powder in an airtight container, preferably glass, in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and moisture. For the best flavor and potency, aim to use your yellow chili powder within 6 months of preparation. Enjoy your fresh, homemade spice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.